Andrea has asked me to do up a quick Loom video about the way that I do my schedules for the week. Assuming you can see my screen here. So I use the Google Calendar for my schedules. Everything that is recurring, I've just got saved in there. So anytime I'm at Edwards, it's just blocked in there for the next week. And then all my payrolls are automatically in there. I can kind of see what's going on. Can delete the things that are no longer valid or applicable, because I'm not going to be doing that anymore. And then I can kind of move things around. If I need to fill in space, I can look at my to-do list in Carbon, my emails, see what's going on to kind of fill everything up in my schedule here. Once that's done, I go to the gear icon and I select print. I take out the weekends because they don't matter anyway, and just print out my schedule as a PDF. I save it to my desktop and I send it to Andrea, and she gets this lovely schedule with everything that I'm doing for the week. Alrighty. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.